Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to send money from Cash App to Binance. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering, is it actually possible for you to send cash or money from Cash App to Binance? Well, the direct answer to that is currently Cash App does not support, or Binance does not support, those two platforms. So connecting those two accounts is not possible. But there is a way for you, or an indirect way for you, to actually transfer assets. Now in this case, you could actually send Bitcoin, which in some form is a type of money that you could use online or in the internet. Now, for you to transfer Bitcoin on any cash tag, you need to follow the following steps. So go to the payment pad in Cash App, toggle to USD and choose BTC, and put the minimum of $1 and click Pay. Now locate the recipient's cash tag, current phone number or email address. Click Pay, and also known as peer-to-peer or P2P transaction. Now, alternatively, you can send Bitcoin via Lightning or the blockchain. Access the Money tab on your Cash App home screen, select Bitcoin tile, click the airplane button, opt for said Bitcoin, enter the amount and the recipient's cash tag or BTC address. Now, in this case, you need to get your BTC address from your Binance account. Now, from there, click on Next, choose a speed, and from there, click Confirm and Send. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.